King Kong Bundy! Oh my god. Well, the Royal Rumble is almost over. King Kong Bundy in the ring. Probably the biggest competitor. Well, what about the Big Show? Oh my god, Matt Hardy! Matt Hardy just scooped! Oh, Triple H. Triple H begs for mercy, but Triple H keeps giving him. Oh, Spinebuster! Spinebuster! Oh my god! It's a Spinebuster! Wait, Finlay gets back in the ring. Oh my god! Finlay with his amazing strength! Oh! Finlay! Triple H and Finlay! Triple H has been since number 2. Well, that is a record. Oh my god, Finlay was not eliminated. Oh, Finlay! Oh, Finlay! 3, 2, 1, and it's Kane again. What the heck? Didn't he just enter? Oh, Finlay! Oh, Finlay almost eliminated. Oh, Finlay. What about Kane? Does this count? I don't. Oh my God! Matt Hardy almost eliminated. Oh, he gives them. No. Oh, Kane's eliminated. Oh. 3, 2, 1, and Akeem, the African Dream. Remember, whoever wins gets a chance at any championship at Slamathon 1. Oh, big boot! Big boot to the face. Oh, Finlay almost eliminated. Oh, Finlay stays in. Akeem. Oh, Spinebuster, no, he's too heavy. Akeem. Oh, Akeem throws. Oh, Akeem is eliminated. Holy bleep. Oh my god. Finlay's still there. Holy. 3, 2, 1, and the United States champion Daniel Bryan. Oh, wait, Daniel Bryan. Oh my god. Twist of fate from the top rope. Twist of fate from the top rope. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Finlay gets back in the ring. Oh, Finlay almost eliminated. Oh, Finlay. Clothesline. Wait. But he gets in. He gets all in. Side effect. No. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1, and oh wait. Twist of fate. Oh, eliminated as fast as holy. Oh, Daniel Bryan goes to the top rope, missile dropkick. Oh, wait, Matt Hardy. Oh, he hits it. Oh my god. Wait, Finlay. Oh, is he gonna pick him up for his finisher? I think this is it. I think this is it. No, this is Bryan! Oh! Daniel! 3, 2, 1, and 8. No stopping me, no. Shelton Benjamin. Oh wait, he goes after Daniel Bryan. Oh wait, picks him up again. Oh. Oh wait, Shelton reversed. Shelton. Oh, Daniel Bryan. Takes the chances. Takes it. 3, 2, 1, and Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Oh. Ricky. Oh, Ricky's out. Ricky's out. Triple H. Oh wait, Triple H. He's down. Oh, it's a suplex. Oh. Oh. Daniel Bryan. Daniel Bryan eliminates Shelton Benjamin. Oh, Finlay eliminates. Oh, 2 people. I mean, he eliminates. 3, 2, 1, and Evan. Airborne. Wait, Triple H. Oh! Oh, Matt Hardy. Matt Hardy! Finlay. I think Finlay's in it. Oh! Oh! Oh, wait, Evan. Oh! Oh, Evan! Evan Airborne! Oh, suicide pile driver! The only person up right now is Matt Hardy. Well, Matt Hardy returns. Here comes the axe. Here comes the smasher. Demolition. He gets his foot in. Oh, super huge clothesline. Wait, Matt Hardy. Oh no, he goes for a signature. Leg drop. Oh! 3, 2, 1, and somebody gonna get their butt kicked. Beat him up, break his neck. Beat him up, break his neck. Oh my god! Oh! Oh, Triple H! Pedigree! Oh, Mark Henry! Oh! 3, 2, 1, and SOS. He Deshunda. Oh, Matt Hardy! Oh, Matt Hardy! Oh, wait! Oh, Kofi! Who's the 2 last entries? 2 more entries and it's all over. 2 more. 3, 2, 1, and open your eyes and see. No! Who's the last entry gonna be? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and see if you just close your eyes. Oh, it's the last 4. It's the last 4. Who's gonna win it all? Who's gonna win it all? Oh, Finlay, Christian, they're almost after Christian. Oh! Wait, Christian's eliminated! What? No! Oh my god. Christian. Oh, they're all tired. Oh, Triple H even more tired. Who's gonna make it to Slamathon 1 and get their choosing of any championship? I don't know, it could be anybody. Oh, Triple H! Triple H has got Matt Hardy! Oh, Triple H the top rope. Oh wait, he goes for a pedigree off the top rope. He goes for it. Oh, Triple H is not eliminated. Oh, Triple H is eliminated. Triple H. Oh my God. Oh, punch him back, punch Finley. Matt Hardy. Oh, Finley. Oh! He goes for his finisher. Oh! Oh! Matt Hardy! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Is that it? This is it? Oh, is that it? Oh! Wait! Oh! Ding, ding, ding! And your winner! And the first ever EWA Royal Rumble winner! Matt Hardy! Well, people, it's been an exciting night. We'll be back soon. Till then, Matt Hardy is going to be the future champion. See you till next time.